What if we didn't have to be niggas no more? If we didn't have to be corner store politicians peddling $5 co-pays on prescriptions unsupported by Medicaid? Would there be better days if black was looked at with a fascination for aesthetics, not an infatuation with the erotic? Would a black woman simply be exotic or a goddess? With the nonsense of stereotypes still find life in the place of racist remarks? I mean, if my skin was just dark and there was no recollection of my heritage, would I be American then without the African prefix? Would we fit into the strategic stew viewed as the melting pot if our ability to rise like yeast beneath the heat of scrutiny would cease, and we would simply dissolve in the broth? Would the conflicts of street wars be resolved? Or would our hatred cross racial divides, infiltrate tribes, and we still practice genocide like we did before we was niggas? With passion still paint us pictures with the fickle fingers of figures we flash like flags, framing them in the paradox of life imitating art to hang them high in the hallways of our hearts. Will we still wash our wounds in the waters of mediocrity, seeking apologies from a history that doesn't care to remember me, let alone repay the honor it stole? If we didn't have to be niggas no more, will we still have the soul that creates the melody to the rhythm the rest of the world dances to? Like we are the backbone to the beat everyone questions, yet we ourselves have no one to answer to. Will we still find the beauty in adversity before memories deem the past worthy of praise? Would it still be our nature to hustle like slaves, passing on struggle and strife like birthrights? Will we still illuminate life without light like we own the night and have found a way to monopolize its mystery? If we didn't have to be niggas no more, maybe we could go to college based on academics, not athletics. And when time came for promotion, we would get it based on ability, not appearance. So if we didn't have to be niggas no more, maybe we could be fathers, not denying our children at birth. And despite how much it hurts to take orders, we could work something other than a street corner. Our daughters could be more than video vixens, more politicians than entertainers, more teachers and trainers of success than professors in prisons who preach pride so death. We could be faithful, forsaking all others for one woman to love her. With every thread stitched into our existence, we could be husbands instead of baby daddies, or wives instead of baby mamas, loving without the drama of court, child support, or welfare, making our children better prepared for life, teach them their rights. Like if we didn't have to be niggas no more, maybe we wouldn't be left behind in storms for being poor, or followed every time we stepped in the stores, or showered with political promises only to be offered the front lines in wars. I mean, honestly, y'all, do we really need to be niggas anymore?